Problem number 13, sir. KLM Limited, company name, sir. So, company has prepared its expenses budget 50,000 units in its factory. So, here expenses are available at 50,000 units activity level. So, budgeting figures are available at 50,000 activity levels. So, recognizing these elements, variable, semi-variable, fixed. So, in semi-variable part, variable part is added to variable, fixed part is added to fixed, sir. So, finally, two heads are there, variable and fixed. So, KLM Limited has prepared its expenses budget for 50,000 units. So, company has prepared expenses budget at 50,000 units activity level for the year 1920 as detailed below. Sir, here variable elements: direct material, direct labor, variable overheads, direct expenses. So, variable. Characteristics, sir: per unit variable cost remains constant. So, variable nature elements, characteristics per unit remains constant, sir. Per unit remains constant. Per unit remains constant, sir. Next, selling expenses. Selling expenses, certain portion is fixed, certain portion is variable. So, fixed portion showed under the head fixed expenses, variable portion showed under the head variable expenses. Right, sir. Fixed expenses characteristics: total amount of fixed cost remains constant. Total amount of fixed cost remains constant. Total amount of fixed cost remains constant up to 100% activity level. Next, factory expenses 100% fixed, administrative expenses 100% fixed, distribution expenses certain portion variable, certain portion fixed. So, variable portion 85%, fixed portion 15%. Right. Prepare an expenses budget for the production of 35,000 units and 70,000 units. So, prepare the budgets for 35,000 units and 70,000 units. So, first recognizing the elements are variable and fixed. So, then we have to prepare budget any activity level. This type of budgets is called as flexible budgets. So, expenses, recognizing the expenses variable, fixed, semi-variable. So, first you have to recognize the expenses are variable, fixed. Then you have to prepare at any activity level. You have to prepare the budget at any activity level. So, these types of budgets are called as flexible budgets. Flexible budgets, right. Right. So, here what they are asking, sir: prepare an expenses budget for the production of 35,000 units and 70,000 units. So, expenses budget. So, 35 and 70. Okay. So, that is called a flexible budget. Flexible budget. Flexible budget. Flexible budget. Flexible budget. Particulars. Next, 35,000 units. 35,000 units. Rate per unit, amount. Next 70 here given details are 50,000 units, sir. So 50,000 units, rate per unit amount. Next, last one, 70,000 units, rate per unit amount. So, given values are related to 50,000 units, sir. Please recognizing these cost elements as variable and fixed, then ultimately set the 35,000 units level and 70,000 units level. So, these budgets are called as flexible budgets, sir. So, first variable expenses, collect the variable expenses, sir. Variable expenses. First one, direct material cost at the rate of 125 rupees. Direct material cost at the rate of 125 rupees per unit. Direct material cost at the rate of 125 rupees per unit. So, direct material cost at the rate of 125 rupees per unit. So, 125 into 50,000. So, 125, sir, 62 lakhs 50,000. Next variable element, sir, direct labor cost. Direct labor cost at the rate of 50 rupees per unit. At the rate of 50 rupees per unit. So, 50 rupees rate per unit. 50 into 50,000. 50 into 50,000. 2 lakhs, 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs. Next variable element, sir. Direct expenses. Direct expenses at the rate of 15 rupees per unit, sir. At the rate of 15 rupees per unit. So, 15 rupees per unit. 15 into 50,000. So, 7 lakhs 50,000. 7 lakhs 50,000. Next, variable overheads means variable production overheads, sir. So, variable overheads means variable production overheads or variable manufacturing overheads or variable factory overheads. So, variable overheads at the rate of 40 rupees per unit. 40 rupees per unit. So, variable nature elements characteristics are per unit remains constant at any activity level, sir. Keep in mind. So, 40 into 50,000. So, 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. Next, variable production overheads complete, sir. Admin, no variable admin, sir. Variable selling expenses. Variable selling expenses at the rate of Sir, 20% fixed, sir, 80% variable, sir. So out of 25, certain portion is fixed, certain portion is variable. So into 80%, sir, 25 into 80%. 25 into 80%. So 20 rupees at the rate of 20 rupees per unit. So 20 rupees, 20 into 50,000. 20 into 50,000 is equal 10 lakhs. Is equal 10 lakhs. Is equal 10 lakhs. Next. Variable selling expenses complete. Variable distribution expenses. Variable distribution expenses. Variable distribution expenses. Variable distribution expenses at the rate of sir, 20 into 85%. 20 into 85%. 17 rupees. 17 rupees per unit. 17 rupees per unit. 17 into 50,000. 17 into 50,000, sir. So 8 lakhs 50,000. 8 lakhs 50,000. 8 lakhs 50,000. So that is the variable distribution expenses. So direct material cost, direct labor cost, direct expenses, variable production overheads, variable selling expenses, variable distribution expenses. There is no variable admin, sir. Right. Total, sir. Variable costs. Variable costs. 125 plus 50 plus 15 plus 40, 20, 60 plus 17, 267, sir. 267. 267. Okay. 62 lakhs 50,000 plus 25 lakhs 7 lakhs 50,000. Next 20 lakhs plus 10 lakhs 30 lakhs. Next 8 lakhs 50,000. So 133 lakhs 50,000, sir. 133 lakhs 50,000. Okay, right. Now set the values at 35,000 units and 70,000 units, sir. Sir, given cost elements, are recognizing as variable and fixed, sir. So here variable expenses recognizing, sir. So these are the variable expenses. Per unit remains constant, sir. So per unit remains constant at any level of output. Total amount varies with the volume of output, right? So per unit same, sir. 125, 50, 15, 40, 20, 17. Per unit remains constant, sir. Multiply, sir. 125 into 35,000 is equal to 43 lakhs 75,000. 43 lakhs 75,000. Next, 35,000 into 50. 17 lakhs 50,000. Next, 35,000 into 35,000 into 15. 5,25,000. 5,25,000. Next 35,000 into 40. 14 lakhs. Next 35,000 into 27 lakhs. Next 35,000 into 17. 5,95,000. 5,95,000. 5,95,000. Right. So 5,95,000 plus 7 lakhs. Next 14 lakhs plus 5,25,000 plus 17 lakhs 50,000 plus 43 lakhs 75,000. 93 lakhs 45,000 sir. 93 lakhs 45,000. Per unit 267. Same. Okay. Correct. Next. Last segment sir. 70,000 units. Sir, per unit variable cost remains constant. So, as it is, per unit value same. 125, 50, 15, 40, 20, 17. So, per unit remains constant, however, it varies with volume of output, sir. Here, volume of output is 70,000. So, 1 unit 125, 70,000 units amount, sir. 125 into 70,000. 87 lakhs 50,000. 87 lakhs 50,000. 87 lakhs 50,000. Next. 70,000 into 70,000 into 50 rupees, 35 lakhs. 35 lakhs. 70,000 into 70,000 into 15, 10 lakhs 50,000. 10 lakhs 50,000. Next 40 into 70,000. 28 lakhs. 28 lakhs. 20 into 70,000. 14 lakhs. 17 into 70,000. 11 lakhs 90,000. 11 lakhs 90,000. Please check. 11 lakhs 90 plus 14 lakhs plus 28 lakhs plus 10 lakhs 50,000 plus 35 lakhs plus 87 lakhs 50,000. 87 lakhs 50,000. 186 lakhs 90,000 sir. 186 lakhs 90,000. Per unit same sir. Per unit same. 267. So variable expenses completed sir. Total variable cost completed. This is A. Next collect the fixed expenses. Fixed expenses. Sir, characteristics sir. Total amount of fixed expenses, total amount of fixed cost remains constant up to 100% activity level. Okay. So collect the fixed expenses. Fixed factory expenses. Fixed factory expenses, sir. So per unit is not mentioned, sir, because here total amount constant, sir. That's why no need to write per unit, sir. So fixed factory expenses. Fixed factory expenses 15 rupees into 50,000. 15 rupees into 50,000. So 15 into 50,000. So 7,50,000. 7,50,000. That is the fixed factory expenses. Next, fixed admin expenses. Fixed admin expenses. Fixed admin expenses. Sir, here admin fully fixed, sir. 8 rupees. 8 rupees into 50,000. 8 into 50,000, sir. So 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. Next, fixed selling expenses. Fixed selling expenses. Fixed selling expenses. So 20% of 25 rupees. 5 rupees. 5 into 50,000. 5 into 50,000. 2,50,000. 2,50,000. 2,50,000. Next, fixed distribution expenses. Fixed distribution expenses. Fixed distribution expenses. Sir, here variable portion 85%, remaining 15% is called as fixed, sir. So 20 into 15%, 3 rupees. 3 rupees, sir. 1 minute. So 3 rupees. So 3 rupees into 50,000, sir. 3 rupees into 50,000. So fixed selling expenses completed, sir. Next, fixed distribution expenses. Fixed distribution expenses. ₹3 into 50,000. 3 into 50,000. 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000 rupees. So fixed factory, fixed admin, fixed selling, fixed distribution. Okay, right. Total fixed cost. Total fixed cost. Total fixed cost. B. So 1,50,000 plus 2,50,000 plus 4 lakhs plus 7,50,000. So total 15,50,000. 15,50,000. So per unit not mentioned, sir. Here in fixed nature elements, total amounts remains constant. That's why no need to write per unit, sir. Okay, right. Now set the values at 35,000 units and 70,000 units. Sir, here fixed nature elements, characteristics set, total amounts remains constant up to 100% activity level. So, same amounts, sir, same amounts. So, 7 lakhs 50, next 4 lakhs, next 2 lakhs 50, 2 lakhs 50, next 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50. So, 15 lakhs 50,000. Same 70,000, sir. 7 lakhs 50, 4 lakhs, next 2.5 lakhs, next 1 lakh 50, 1.5 lakhs. So, 15 lakhs 50,000. 15 lakhs 50,000. So, A plus B, total cost, A plus B, right. Sir, here 35,000 volume, here 35,000 is budget volume at cost, total cost, sir, total cost at 35,000 units. So, variable cost to 93 lakhs 45,000 plus fixed cost to 15 lakhs 50,000, 15 lakhs 50,000. So, 108 lakhs 95,000, 108 lakhs 95,000. Please check the answer. Exactly correct, sir. 108 lakhs 95,000. Okay. Next, at 50,000, sir, variable cost 133 lakhs 50,000, 133 lakhs 50,000 plus 15 lakhs 50,000, 15 lakhs 50,000, 149 lakhs, 149 lakhs. Next, 186 lakhs, 1 minute, 186 lakhs 90,000, 186 lakhs 90,000 plus 15 lakhs 50,000 is equal to 202 lakhs 40,000. 202 lakhs 40,000. Please check the answer. 202 lakhs 50,000. 202 lakhs 40,000, sir. 202 lakhs 40,000. Correct answer. Okay, right. So, this is the problem number 13, sir. Problem number 13. Completed, sir. Problem number 13. Next, last problem of this chapter, sir. Last problem. Problem number 9, sir. Right. Before doing this problem, a little conversation, sir. I will discuss. Right. Semi-variable expenses. Semi-variable expenses. Semi-variable expenses. Semi-variable expenses. Two types, sir. General semi-variable expenses. General semi-variable expenses. Step fixed cost. Step fixed cost model general semi-variable expenses. So, semi-variable expenses are two types, sir. General semi-variable expenses, step fixed cost model semi-variable expenses. For example, production overheads, 1 lakh rupee. So, 60% to variable 40% fixed, 60% variable, sir, 40% fixed, sir. So certain portion variable content, certain portion fixed content. So this is the general type of semi-variable expenses. This is the general semi-variable expenses. Step fixed cost model, sir. Sir, up to 60%, up to 60% production overhead, so 60,000, sir. 61% to 80%, 70,000, sir. 81% to 100%. 81% to 100%. 80,000, sir. So here interval changes automatically, fixed cost amount changes, sir. Generally fixed cost up to 100% activity level, fixed cost remains constant, sir. But in this category, in this problem, up to 60% constant, sir. Next beyond 60 up to 80, 70,000, sir. Beyond 80 up to 100, 80,000, sir. So this is called as step fixed cost model. So this is called as step fixed cost model of semi-variable expenses. Step fixed cost model of semi-variable expenses. So graphically, it is expressed in graphically, sir. So x-axis 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Right. Here 50,000, 1 minute, sir. 20,000, 40,000, 60,000, 80,000. 80,000. Sir, up to 60 fixed cost amount, sir. Up to 60,000. Okay, 60,000. 60,000. 60 to 80, sir. 70,000. 70,000. 70,000. Next 80 to 100, sir. 80,000. So this is the step fixed cost model. This is the step fixed cost model. Right. In this case, 3 BEPs are there. So if firm works with 60% activity level, recovery of fixed cost 60,000, sir. In that case, BEP, please calculate. Next, suppose firm works with beyond 60 up to 80, recovered fixed cost amount is 70,000. In that case, BEP calculated, sir. BEP, again BEP calculated. Suppose if firm works with beyond 80%, if firm works with beyond 80% up to 100%, in that case, recovered fixed cost amount 80,000, sir. In that case also BEP, again BEP calculated, So 3 BEPs are there. Up to 60% level, 1 BEP, 60 to 80%, 1 BEP, 80 to 100%, 1 BEP. So up to 60%, sir. So recovered amount 60,000, sir. So calculate BEP. Suppose if firm works with beyond 60 up to 80, so recovered amount 70,000, again BEP calculated. So suppose firm works with beyond 80% up to 100%, so again BEP calculated, sir. Recovered fixed cost is 80,000. So here 3 BEPs are there. 3 break-even levels are there. So this is the step fixed cost model, sir. So in semi-variable expenses, so general model, step fixed cost model, sir. Right. Next. Now, problem number 9. Vivekananda Primary School, sir, has a total of 150 students consisting of 5 sections with 30 students per section. Sir, total school strength 150 members, 150 students. So, school having 5 sections. Each section contains 30 members, 30 students. Next. Sir, the school plans. So, school plans for a picnic around the city or outside the city? Around the city. Okay. During the weekend. Places are Zoo, Japanese Park, Birla Planetarium. Okay. So, school plans a picnic program at the weekend around the city. Such places are Zoo, Japanese Park, Birla Planetarium. Next. A private transport operator has come forward to lease out the buses for taking students. So, here transport operator has come, sir, to lease out the buses. So, buses lease తీసుకుంటాడు. To lease out the buses for taking the students to picnic spot. Next, each bus will have a maximum capacity 50 seats. 50, sir. Each bus will have a maximum capacity of 50, excluding 2 seats reserved for the teachers accompanying the students. Sir, each bus seating capacity 50, sir, excluding 2 seats reserved for the teachers. So, teachers ki 2 seats reserved, accompanying the students. So, students to velle 2 teachers ki separate seats, 2 seats. Next to student seating capacity 50. So, teachers seat separate, sir. So, total capacity of a bus 50, sir. So, each bus will have a maximum capacity of 50 students, excluding 2 seats reserved for the teachers accompanying the students. So, students to patu 2 teachers kuda veltaru, sir. Right. Controlling purpose kosam. Next, the school will employ 2 teachers. The school will employ means will use 2 teachers for each bus, paying them an allowance of 500 rupees per teacher. So, here school management will provide an allowance 500 rupees, sir. So, ఈ పిక్నిక్ స్పాట్ కి టీచర్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్ తో అకంపెనీ అవుతారు, సార్. సో వాళ్ళకి అలవెన్స్ ఇస్తారు, సార్. సో పేయింగ్ దెమ్ అన్ అలవెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 500 rupees per teacher. Okay, rate per teacher 500 rupees. 2 teachers 1000 rupees. Next, it will also lease out the required number of buses. The following are the other cost estimates. Right, other cost estimates, sir. Cost per student, breakfast 50 rupees. Sir, here breakfast varies with number of students. That's why it is variable. So, the following are other cost estimates. Breakfast 50 rupees per student, sir, varies with volume of students. So, if volume increases, if the student number increases, automatically breakfast cost increases. Lunch also variable, that is per student. Tea variable. Entrance fees at Zoo per student 20 rupees, sir. This is also variable. This is also variable, sir. Right? Right. Sir, here total strength of the school, sir, 150 members. Total strength of the school 150 members. Suppose 150 members are coming to picnic. In that case, 3 buses are required. Each bus 50 members. Suppose 1 to 50, 1 bus. Next to 51 to 100, second bus. 101 to 150, third bus. Suppose 150 members వస్తున్నారు అనుకోండి, సార్. 150 students are coming to picnic. In that case, 3 buses. So, higher charges per bus, sir. Bus higher charges 6,500 rupees. 6,500 into 3. 6,500 into 3. 19,500. Suppose 90 students are coming to picnic, sir. In that case, 2 buses are required. In that situation, bus higher charges 6,500 into 2, 13,000. Suppose only 40 students are coming to picnic, sir. 40 students are coming to picnic. In that case, only one bus is required. So, in that case, 6,500, sir. Sir, nature of expenses, variable or fixed or semi-variable. Bus hire charges. Bus hire charges, variable or fixed or semi-variable. Semi-variable step fixed cost model. Semi-variable step fixed cost model. Up to 50, 6,500. Beyond 50 up to 100, bus hire charges 13,000. Beyond 100 up to 150, bus hire charges 19,500. So, this is semi-variable, sir. This is semi-variable. Next, sir, special permit fees. RTO permission ఇవ్వాలి. సో స్టూడెంట్స్ని పిక్నిక్ స్పాట్కి తీసుకెళ్తాం, మీరు పర్మిషన్ ఇవ్వండి అంటారు ఎవరు, ఆర్టీఓ. సో ఆర్టీఓ హ్యాస్ గివెన్ ఏ పర్మిషన్ ఫర్ ద బస్సెస్. హియర్ permit fees per bus 500 rupees. Permit fees per bus 500 rupees. Same, just like this is also semi variable. Suppose 50 students are coming to picnic, one bus is required, permit fees 500 rupees. Suppose 90 students are coming to picnic, two buses are required, permit fees 2 into 500,000. 120 students are coming to picnic, three buses are required, permit fees 3 into 500, 1500. So 1 to 50, one bus is required, permit fees 500. Here two buses are required, 1000. Here 1500. 1500. So this is also semi variable cost, sir. So up to 50 permit fees is 500 rupees. Beyond 50 up to 100, 1000 rupees. Beyond 100 up to 150, 1500 rupees. This is also semi variable expenses. Semi variable expenses. Next, sir, here one more expenses is already there. One more expense, sir, teacher's allowance. Teacher's allowance, sir. Teacher's allowance. So two teachers accompanying the student for each bus. So teacher allowance per day. Teacher allowance 500 rupees per teacher, sir. For example, 50 students are coming to picnic. Only one bus is required. Two teachers are accompanying. So teacher's allowance 2 into 500, 1000 rupees. Suppose 90 members are coming to picnic, two buses are required. Each bus two teachers, four teachers, two buses, four teachers, 4 into 500, 2000. Suppose 130 members are coming to picnic. In that case, three buses are required. Three buses are required, sir. Three buses are required. In that case, 6 teachers, 6 into 500, 3000. This is also semi-variable step fixed cost model, sir. So up to 50, 1000. Beyond 50 up to 100. Beyond 50 up to 100, 2000. Beyond 100 up to 150, 3000. This is also semi-variable step fixed cost model. So semi-variable expenses are number 1, bus hire charges. Next, permit fees. Next teacher's allowance. Next, sir, block entrance fee at the planetarium. Sir, generally planetariums lo each wise ga undadu, sir, student wise. School group of oka block. So entrance fees, block entrance fees 2500. So our school students andarni allow cheస్తారు, sir. Just the amount 2500 rupees pay cheste. So that is the block entrance fees, sir. Block entrance fees. So total strength allowed. So just the fees is 2500, sir. Not per head basis, sir. School basis. That is fixed. So 30 students 2500, 50 students 2500, 90 students 2500, 150 students 2500. So not per head basis, sir. School basis. Next, prizes to students for games. These are fixed. First prize, second prize, third prize. Only 3 prizes. 3 prizes cost 2500. So 30 students 2500, 40 students 2500, 90 students 2500. So this is fixed. Sir, 2 elements fixed elements, sir. 3 elements semi variable elements, sir. 4 elements variable elements, sir. Okay. Next, No costs are incurred in respect of accompanying teachers. Only allowance, sir. Accompanying teachers. So only 500 rupees. Only 500 rupees allowance is given, sir. No other benefits. So no costs are incurred in respect of accompanying teachers. Only allowances is given. Only allowance means just 500 rupees. Just 500 rupees per teacher per picnic. Okay, sir. So okay, you are required to prepare a flexible budget. You are required to prepare flexible budget, sir. Flexible budget. Flexible budget. You are required to prepare flexible budget. Flexible budget. Flexible budget. Estimating the total cost for the students' levels. Total cost means variable cost, semi-variable cost, fixed cost. Total cost of the students' levels. Students' levels. Students' levels, sir. Particulars. Students' levels. 30 students are coming to the picnic. In that case, total cost. Next case, 60 students are coming to the picnic. 60 students coming to the picnic. Next, sir, 90 students. 90 students coming to the picnic. Next, 120 students. 120 students. Next, last one, 150 students. 150 students. So, this is the problem number 9. Problem number 9. Okay, first collect the variable expenses. Variable expenses. Variable expenses. Sir, please recognizing the variable expenses, breakfast, lunch, tea, entrance fees, edu. Sir, how to recognize, sir? Simple logic, sir. Per unit remains constant, sir. Total amount varies with volume, sir. Simple recognizing. So, breakfast at the rate of 50 rupees. Breakfast. Breakfast at the rate of 50 rupees per student. At the rate of 50 rupees per student. Sir, 30 into 50. 30 into 50. 1500. Next, 60 into 50. 3000. Next, 50 into 90. 4500. 120 into 50. 6000. 150 into 50. 7500. 7500. Breakfast. Next, lunch. Lunch, sir, at the rate of 100 rupees per student. 100 rupees per student. 30 into 100. 3000. 60 into 100. 6000. 9000. 12,000. 15,000. 15,000. Next. Next, sir. Next, tea. Tea 30 rupees per student. 30 rupees per student. 30 rupees per student. 30 into 30, 900. 30 into 30, 900, sir. 30 into 60, 1800. 30 into 90, 2700. 30 into 120, 30 into 120, 3600. Next, 30 into 150, 30 into 150, 4500. 4500. So T completed. Next, entrance fee at JU. At JU. Entrance fees at JU at the rate of 20 rupees per unit. Now, 20 into 30, 600. 20 into 30, 600, sir. Next, 20 into 60. 20 into 60, 120. Okay. So, 2 3s are 6. Okay, 600. Next, 20 into 60. 1200, sir. 1200. Next, 90 into 20. 1800. Next, 20 into 120. 2400. 2400. 150 into 20. 150 into 20, 3000. 3000. Right. Sir, total variable cost. Total variable cost at the rate of, sir, at the rate of 50, 100, 30, 20. Sir, 150, 180, 200, sir. At the rate of 200 rupees. At the rate of 200 rupees per student. Per student. Right. Right. 200 into 30. 6,000. 6,000. 200 into 60. 200 into 60, sir. 12,000. Next, 200 into 90. 18,000. Next, 200 into 120. 24,000. 24,000. Next, 200 into 150. 30,000. 30,000. 30,000. Right, 30,000. That is the total variable cost. Next, collect the fixed cost, sir. Fixed cost, sir. First, collect the semi-variable cost. Okay, semi-variable cost. Semi-variable cost. Semi-variable cost. That is step fixed cost model, sir. Step fixed cost model. Step fixed cost model, sir. Step fixed cost model. Right. Number 1. Number 1. bus hire charges, bus hire charges, bus hire charges, sir, bus hire charges. Sir, here 30 students are coming to picnic. In this case, only one bus is required. So, one bus hire charges 6,500, sir. Next, 60 students coming to picnic, sir. 60 students are coming to picnic. In this case, 2 buses are required. Hire charges 2 buses 13,000. Next, 90 also 2 buses, sir. 13,000. 13,000. 13,000. Next. 120, 3 buses, 6,500, sir. 19,500. 19,500. Next one. 150, 3 buses, 19,500. So, right. So, completed. Bus hire charges. Next, permit fees. Permit fees. 30 students, single bus permit fees, sir, 500 rupees. 500 rupees. 500 rupees. Next, 60 students, 2 buses, 1,000. Next, 90, 2 buses, 1,000. Next, 120, 3 buses, 1,500. Next, 1,500. Next, teacher's allowance. Teacher's allowance. Teacher's allowance. Sir, one bus, 30 students means one bus. One bus means 2 teachers. Accompanied with student 2 teachers. Each teacher allowance 500 rupees. 2 teachers 1,000. 60, 2 buses, 4 teachers, 500, 2,000. Next, same 2,000. Next, 120 students are 3 buses, 3 twos are 6 teachers, so 6 teachers into 500, 3,000. 3,000. So, add them. Total semi-variable cost. Total semi-variable cost. Total semi-variable cost. 6,500 plus 500, 7,000, 8,000. Next, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 1, 16,000. Next to 16,000. Next to 19,500 plus 1,500 plus 3,000 is equal 24,000. Next to 24,000. 24,000.